use some of this. Should be enough. Oh, it's really warm. You can see it's getting much thicker as well. So we'll have to get this poured quickly. It's like it when it's got glue in it. It's like really completely ready. Alcohol ink. As thin as we can because it's going to, I don't know if it's going to work properly now, it's too hot. We'll just pour this like it is. It might well have big bubbles in it. Oh, I need to get it poured. I thought it was a bit ambitious doing 2 lots in one go to make multiple different things. I suppose I could have done a balloon with it if I was going to. No, I was going to wait. Oh my god, that's very thick resin. Should I get rid of some of that? That's a mess. Okay. I'm going to throw that. It's too thick. But I might be able to get the rest out into a mould. Okay, might be some bubbles in that last one. Right, so like this. This one that it was setting up so fast that I just had to get it in as quickly as possible. So excuse the mess a bit. I'm going to put DTV stickers on this, I think. Or like a rub-on sticker maybe. It's a little bit rough around those edges, so we need to sand them or deburr them. That's my first soap dish. Yeah. Okay.